Hello everyone, good afternoon. So we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in FIDE Women's World Team Championship 2025. So I will skip up this one from this round here. So today is round number 5. So first A within pool number A. So without pool number A here. So how many clocks within 45 minutes and 30 seconds increment? So it means classical chess here. And also today's pool number A, and also have a between from this beautiful and pretty international master in Kazakhstan is Merritt Kamali-Denova versus by international master in USA is Carissa Yip, the close friends of Alice Lee. So it means two games analyzed here. So after from this poll number A, so next proceed poll number B between International Master Natalie Bukha versus International Master Meow Meow. So I will analyze up this poll number B later on. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed up these standings after round number 5 in poll number A. So white plays Merritt is E4, G6 Yip without modern defense with number 1 by E4 pawns here, and also D4, Bishop G7, Knight C3, and also D6 without move side here, and also Bishop E3 without move controls by defense by this one by Merritt, and also Pawn A6 without no more by connected, this one by Bishop to B5 here without check here, and also decided H4 without strongest move here. So without strongest move by this one without Merritt here, and also Pawn H6. So what is called this one? So not yet by this one by variations here. And also G4 strong move by this one by Merritt here, and also Knight D7 by Yip, and also Queen D2 without preparing by Castle King's Queen side. So Castle Queen side by Merritt here, and also Pawn B5 here, and also A4. So without controls here, without normals, this one's without A4. So these are a given bad move. So it means that's not one of this right move computer here. So the one's computer, the best move this one is Knight H3. So it means these are the Knight H3 from this best move from these solutions here. So these are a slightly better from whites here. So back there, this one is Pawn A4 without controls, this one the without move side, this one the without Rook A files or Pawn A files here, and also decided push B4. So without threats the attacks the knights here. So what is called from this variation, it is called by murder defense standard line. So without not yet here. So it means without Pawn B4 attacks the knights here, and also strong move by Knight D5 by Merritt without need more strong move, without idea, without attacks the pawns here, without threats the pawns, without queens, without threats the this one that tempos attacks the pawns here, and also decided defense A5 without move controls by Yip, and also Bishop G2. So these are a novelty by Bishop G2. So out of this book line. So these are the old main lines here by recording by this one castling queen side, or this one by knight to E2. So knight E2 here. So knight E2 here from old lines here by database. So it means third move is Bishop G2 bad move. So it means does not belongs of the book line. So novelty. So these are the according this one the computer stockfish here. And also decided by E6 by Yip without threats the knights, and also Knight F4, and also push E5 without threats the without attacks the pawns or without knights here. So doubles attacks. These are the controls by this one targets by tempos counters attacks, and decided this one is Knight Fe2 by Merritt, and also Knight B6 by Yip. So without decided here, or maybe without moves here by Knight to C4, or maybe here by this controls here. So it means next maneuver is Knight C4 without ready by attacks the doubles bishops and queens, and also decided B3 without no more by this move here by Knight C4, because these are the without move side, this one the without concentrations by this one connected the pass pawns by b files. And also bishop takes g4 without move side without capture this bishop captured pawn, and also rook d1 by Merriweather, and also knight f6 by Yip without controls here. So it means very determinations by this one the without connected by knights here. And also f3 without attacks the bishop, and bishop e6 without backwards, and also f4. So another bad move by Merriweather because these are the stockfish computer. So the one's computer decided capture this pawn. If you move by this one d takes e5, and also decided without queen to queen, so without queen to queens here, so it means so without decided this one is queen captured. So queen takes d8 check accepted by queens, and rook captured because these are the without connected by this one by rook to rooks here. So it means without decided this one is decided by rook d2. So rook d2 here. So these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here. So slightly betters. So it means f4 by Merriweather without attacks the pawns here, and also knight g4. So without knight g4 without strong move by Yip, or without attacks the bishops here. So these are the according this one the without computer without engine here. And also decided this one is push h5 by Merriweather without attacks the pawns here, and decided castling kingside by Yip, and also captured, and also push d5. So it means, so if you move by capture this pawn, so it means opening by this one the queen to queen. So how do you control here? So it means without bishop attacks the pawns or knights here. So threats the pawns or maybe the bishops here. So these are the diagonals, or maybe here by without targets by tempos attacks, because these are the without queen to queens here. So it means so without decided this one is queen captured. So with the queen captured decided accepted, without queen takes accepted, and rook takes captured, and also decided bishop captured. So these are the according this one the without computer engine here. So these are the good examples here. The continuations by solutions. So it means so Merriweather decided this one, this push d5 without decided this one, or maybe without attacks the bishop because these are the determinations here. And also knight takes captured without attacks the bishop, or maybe here without attacks the rooks here because these are a double attacks here. And also queen captured knight, and also bishop g4 without strong move by Yip, or maybe without pins without rooks here because these are the threats the knights here according this one the without computer engine here. And also bishop f3 without bishop to bishop, and ignorance bishop d7. So it means so if you capture this bishop captured, so how do you control here? Bishop takes f3, and also decided this one is so what do you move by this one by queens or knights here, or maybe here by move side this one is queen captured. So queen takes f3. So it means these are the continuation. So these are the good examples here. Or maybe here by this one by move by knight captured bishop. So it means so these are the controls by this one to how to move by this one the targets here. So these are the examples. So it means so back to this one decided ignorance by Yip. So because these are the move side here, so cannot move the captured without bishop to bishop because the lie square. So need more decided this one by ignorance backwards by bishop to d7 here. And also knight h3 by Merriweather, and also knight c8 without move controls here, or maybe without idea without move controls. This one is knight to e7. So how do you control here? Or maybe here by this one knight to d6. So without next maneuver by this one the next move here. And also knight f2 by Merriweather here, and also knight d6 without good controls here, or maybe without, I don't know what the next maneuver here, because these are the targets, this one the pawns, so these are the cannot move this one next maneuver by knights here. And also knight g4, so it means without controls here. And also bishop captured, bishop takes, and also f5 without attacks the threats the bishop or pawns here. So these are the, according this one, the continuous computer. And also bishop f3, and also queen g5 without queen to queen, and ignorance queen g1 by Merriweather. So it means so queen g1. So in accept, why don't we try without queen to queen? So without queen to queens here, and also pawn capture. So these are 8 damage by this double pawn structure, so very damageful. So because these are the very damage here, or maybe here by decided by pawn capture. So need more captured, because these are the code by umbrella, the is umbrella the pawns here. So these are the examples here. So back there, this one is queen g1, so need more ignorance here, and also rook a6. So these are a given bad move by Yip. So the best moves, the ones computer, this one is bishop to f6 here, so need more defense here, so bishop f6, so etc etc. So these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So it means, so without queen to queen here. So without queen to queen. So back there, this one is rook a6 by Yip here, and also captured bad move. So it means, so third given bad move. So the best moves decided is queen takes accepted. So need more queen takes accepted. So if we move by captured, so these are the damage the ugliness pawn structure, and also captured. So these are the triple pass pawn without connecting the triple pass pawn. So these are the controls here. So slightly best solutions from advantage here. So slightly best solutions. So it means captured the pawns here, and also decided this one. So guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the best move by sacrifice by Yip here? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Knight captured sacrifice. Without sacrifice the knights here, so these are the knight captured pawn. So sacrifice by excellent move by Yip here. Bishop takes knight, so these are a 1 piece down. So these are the 5 pieces versus 4 pieces. So it means, so 5 versus 4 here. And pawn captured bishop, or maybe without, not yet by this one by queen to queen. So it means these are the controls here. And in accept here by queen takes accepted by Merriweather, pawn takes, and also king d2 proxy active move here, and also rook captured pawn, and also king e3. So it means need more by this one by, so king must be active by this one by proxy active move here. And also decided g4, so without upcoming by promotes here by almost by upcoming by without g1 queen here. And also rook dg1 without more guards here, without cannot move this one the without upcoming this one push by queens here. And also bishop h6 check, so it means bad move by Yip. So the best moves the one's computer is continuous push g3. So need more continuous here. So these are the, so many the highest evaluation bar. So these are the good highest evaluation bar. So these are the white pieces lowest here. So according this one, so slightly advantage here. So slightly advantage. So back there is bishop h6 check here, and also king captured, rook f2 good move. So without good move by Yip here, and also knight g3, and also rook captured pawn without defense the pawns, and also knight f5. So it means so without threats the bishop here, so does not want this right move computer here. So the best move the one's computer this one is decided proc active move is king f5. So need more threats the rooks here. So if you move by rook g5 check, so how do you move here? And decided by go back queen or king. So king e4 here, so king e4, so not queen, so it means king. So king here, so etc etc, slightly better from whites here, so slightly better here. So back there, this one is knight f5 by mirror, and also bishop f8, and also knight e3 without idea by threatening the targets the tempos attacks the rooks here, and also rook e2. What happened by Carissa Yips without threats the knight, so it means rook e2 blunderacious by black pieces here. So what happened to black by international master Carissa Yip? So the ones the right computer is rook f2. So rook f2, not rook e2. So these are the connecting here. So without rook f2 is a correct move. So it means so not a rook e2. So this is a blunderacious here. So rook f2, so best solution, so slightly advantage from blacks here. Slightly advantage. So back there, this one is rook e2, so blunderacious here, and also decided good move by mirrored is king f5 without idea by threats the connecting the targets attacks the rooks here, and also decided king g7 without defense the rook, and also knight captured pawn, and also bishop to c5 by Yip without idea without threats the rooks here or tempos attacks here from this one, and also decided this one rook g3, and also pawn e4. So what happened? Another blunderacious. Another blunderacious by black pieces by Carissa Yip. What happened? So what happened the moves here? So it means so these are a lowest evaluation bar. So what happened by Carissa Yip? So the best moves, this one is a right move, is this one is rook f2 without sacrifice check. Oh, without sacrifice. So it means rook f2 check is a right move. So if you captured knight takes rooks here, and also rook captured. So it means, so wait, if you knight takes captured rook, and also rook captured. So it means, so rook captured here, sorry. So it means rook captured g3 here. So it means, so these are the two pieces here. So these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here. Sorry, I got this one the clicking the arrows here. So I'm sorry. So it means, so after pawn e4 by blunderacious by Yip, so these are ideas. So what happened? So what do you think about the idea by excellent move by beautiful and pretty Merwert from Kazakhstan? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for the start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. From this one is decided rook gh3, excellent move by Merwert. So great move without idea by this one rook h7 without targets, without checks here, and also rook captured, and another excellent good move is rook h7 check. So what a precise move by Merwert Khamalidenova without or maybe by excellent or great or good move without checks here, and decided king g8, and also king takes captured rook. So because these are the, or maybe without rooks, without check, so if you move by king here and without captured, without rooks traps the rooks here. So it means, so without king g8 and king captured rook, so one piece down here. So it means two minor pieces, the white pieces, the rooks here and white pieces, and bishop and rooks, this one from blacks here. And also bishop d6 and also king f5 and also rook f2 check and also king capture. So it means, so 3 minutes and 17 seconds by Merriweather here and 37 seconds by Karisayip. So these are the dying seconds from blacks here. So almost this one the classical chess here. So let's continue. King captured e4 and also rook f4 check and also king e3 and also rook g4 without idea by this one by rook g3 without checks here, without controls here, and also decided rook 1 h3 without no more by rook here, but without checks here, and also king f8 and also rook h8 check and also king e7 and also rook a8 here, so without idea, without threats the pawns here, and also bishop c5 check and also king f3 attacks the rooks, rook d4 without move by this one by rook d3, so without rook d3, without check or without rook traps the rooks here, and also rook captured without threats the bishop and also rook d3 checks without traps here. So these are the traps the rooks here, and decided defense here by king g4 without defense the king without rooks here, and also rook captured pawns and rook a8 here. So these are a bad move, so does not want of this computer engine here. So the best move this one is rook to b5 here, so rook b5, so rook b5 here, so best solution. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So back there, this one is rook a8 by Merriweather and also bishop b6, so bad move by Yip. So the best right computer is king to d7 is a right move here. So these are the best solutions from blacks here. So back there is bishop b6 by Yip and also rook h7 check, king e6, rook e8 check, king f6, rook h6 check, king f7 and also rook e4, rook d3 and also rook captured pawns and also king e7, rook b5 without controls here or maybe without best solutions, and also king d7, pawn a5 without attacks the bishop and bishop e3 without threats the rooks here, without threatening the rooks here, and also rook g6 and also rook d1 without attacks this one, without threatening the this one rook g1 without targets, without checks here. So these are the controls here, and also decided this one is king f3, bishop g1 and also pawn a6, rook a1 without attacks the pawns, and decided rook b7 without controls here, and also bishop c5, b4 attacks the bishop, and also bishop d6 and b5. So these are, so what the wins by Merriweather Kamalindenova. So resigns by Karisayip. So why she resigns? Because so if you move by this one by king c8, only move by Yip here, and also rook g8 check. So rook g8, if you move by this one king d7 here, go back, and also pawn a7. So these are a without upcoming by this one promotes a8 queen, so fatal by this one, so unstoppable by promote, so lose from blacks here. So the score by Merriweather Kamalindenova 85.6 and the score by Yip 83.2. So the winner in this International Master Merriweather Kamalindenova. Congratulations. So next up, this one by second game, we then proceed by poll number B here. Okay, the next proceed by second game within pool number B. And also have a between from this international master in Ukraine is Natalia Buksa. So Natalia Buksa was a country by Ukraine in this chess players here. And versus by international master in China, Lu Miaoyi, aka Miao Miao. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed of the standings of pool number B in round number 5. So white plays Natalia is d4, knight f6 Miao Miao, knight f3, d5, and also e3. So it's called by Coley system. So without Coley system, and also e6, or maybe without upcoming by bishop to without b4, without targets, without checks here, without continuous, and also bishop d3, and also pawn b6 by Miao Miao without idea by light square bishop to b7, without bishop to b7 here, and also decided b3 or dark square by bishop b2 here, and also decided bishop b7 without right by light square bishop without continuous here, and also bishop b2 without dark square bishop by Natalia, and also bishop d6, and also castling by Natalia, castling by Miao Miao, and also pawn c4 without connected the pass pawn without diagonals here, or maybe without attacks these pawns here, and also knight b d7 without controls here, and also knight b2, knight b d2 here, and also strong move by Miao Miao is knight e4 without jumping move here, without strong move here by Miao Miao without connected by this one right move of this one's computer engine by knight e4, and also decided defense queen c2 without defense the bishops here, or without knights here without attacks the knights, because these are the without knights without preparing knight captured, and also pawn f5 without defense the knights, captured knights, and queen takes captured knights, and also knight f6 without move controls here, without threats the pawns here, without idea, without threats the pawns, and also knight e5. So these are a new move, so does not belongs of the book lines novelty by Natalia. So these are the old main lines by recording database is captured pawns here, so need more captured. So it means, so these are knight e5 novelty, so out of this book line here, and also knight captured pawns, and also f4. So without defense the pawns without knight, so these are the mark given bad moves here. So computer engine, so that's not one of this move by Natalia. So the best moves this one is knight to c4. So knight c4, so it means without threats the bishops here. So these are the continuations here, so etc etc. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So slightly betters. So back there, this one is pawn f4 without connected here, and also pawn c5. So brand X move by Miao Miao. So the branded move decided bishop captured knights here. So bishop captured, and decided this one by this one is d takes e5 here. So d takes e5. So these are the etc by according by Stockfish computer, so etc etc. So these are the slightly advantage from whites and blacks here. Slightly advantage here. So back there, this one is pawn c5 without attacks the pawns, captured, bishop captured, and also rook f3, or maybe without idea by without battery. So without battery move by Natalia, and also rook c8 without move by without rook c files here. So these are the controls here by connected by rooks. Pawn a3, and also a5, queen e1. So queen e1, what happened by Natalia Buksa? So blunder ratios by Natalia. So the best right move is queen e2, not queen e1. So it means queen e2 is the right move here. So these are the continuations here, so slightly better from whites here. So these are the continuations by according by continuous the computer. computer. That's joking, the laughing gags. So it means, so queen a1 by Natalia. So without idea, so what do you think about without great move, without best move by excellent move by without 15 years old meow meow in this one by black pieces? So guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Knight captured, brilliant, excellent move by this one, great move by Meow Meow. So without perfect move, so these are the highest evaluation bar, very perfect move by Meow Meow. And decided rook captured, and decided by another good move by Meow Meow is queen d5. So what a perfect move, without idea, without threatening mating net, because these are the defending the bishop, because the queen without good move, perfect move by Meow Meow, without attacks the mating nets here. So another example. So why do you capture this one? Why don't we bishop captured rook without checks here? So it means queen takes here. So queen takes e3. So these are the controls, and decided queen d5 without upcoming by threatening mating nets here. So it means without threatening mating nets, and decided move controls by queen f3. So need more this one, the queen to queen, so no need by this one, so without threatening mating nets. So these are the without protects the, without defense the queens here. So these are a good slightly examples by ones of this computer engine here. So it means without idea by Meow Meow is queen d5. So another good move by Meow Meow. Without idea, without attacks with threatening mating nets, without dangerous the kings here. So it means very dangerous from whites here. And also decided by queen f1 without defense here, without no more by this one by threatening mating nets here. And also decided this one is bishop 2 captured without e3 check, and also king h1 without property active move, and also queen captured without idea, without threatening the bishops here, and also rook b1 without defense the bishop, and also bishop e4 without bishop to bishop, and also bishop d4, because these are the bishop pairs by here by whites, and this one same by blacks by bishop pairs. Without attacks the bishop or attacks the bishop, these are is called by crossing bishop attacks here. And also bishop captured without checks here, sacrifice, king takes, and also another third good move is queen d5 check. So what a perfect move by Meow Meow, perfect move here. And also knight f3 without defense by Natalia. So without defense here, bishop captured, and queen e2, and also rook f6 by Meow Meow, and rook b5 by Natalia without idea, without threats the queens here. And also decided queen a8, need more backwards by Meow Meow, and also h3, rook c1 without strong move by Meow Meow. So these are the perfect move shot by Meow Meow here. And also rook b1 without rook to rook, and accept rook takes, bishop takes, and bishop c5, and also king h2 without controls here, and also queen d5 here without controls, and also a4, queen b3, and also bishop d3. So need more defense, so because these are the queens without here by bishop attacks this one. And also decided bishop d6 by Meow Meow, and also h4 by Natalia, bishop capture check, and also king h3, rook g6 by Meow Meow without idea by rook to g3, without attacks the, without kings, without checks here. And also h5 attacks the rooks, rook g3 check, and also king h4, and also last shot by queen d5. So without end of this pawn number 3, poll number B. So decided by surrender by your national master Natalia. So why she resigns? Because, for example, so if you move by this one, knight knight e1, only moved by Natalia, and also decided by queen h1 without checks here. So it means upcoming by mating nets. So if you move decided this defense by queen h2 and eating the queen's mating net by kings here. So loss from whites is game over here. So win from this meow meow. So she was a focus by masters from this here in this chess from this in this China here. So the score by Natalia Boxa is 81.6 and the highest score by Meow Meow 92.2. So the winner Meow Meow. So Meow Meow was a focus by master of this chess in this China. So Lu Miaoyi, aka Meow Meow. So I will next analyze here from this next round. So I will choose from these two games analyzed within pool A and B. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagay17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.